and go. Go, Newton. Whee! Okay, crash course number 4, I believe. In review of exams, we are looking at just a couple of question types of answers. I'm only going to look at 2. The visuals will be somewhere. The first one, level 1 type question, according to the source, pops up quite a lot. We answer those as straight extraction. So I'm noticing a lot of, I don't see it as a fault, but I see it as enthusiastic students who wish to interpret and evaluate everything. You don't have to. According to, you just do straight extraction, take out the relevant piece of content in the source, and that's it. Do not interpret. Ironically, that will probably cost you marks in final exams. I don't necessarily agree with it, but that's how they mark it. The second one, explain. If a question says, using the source and your own knowledge, explain something, when you see the word explain, do not extract. Explain means interpret. It means your own understanding. Put it in your own words. If you do extract, you will not get the marks. Okay, so just always keep that in mind. It's basically keywords in questions. According to, extract, explain, interpret, and use your own words. And that is that.